Let's begin lesson 6-4 today on make more comparative inferences about populations. Alright, let's place some data collection into categories first. Measures of center, okay, that would include mean, median, and mode. Usually mostly just mean and median, however. And then we have measures of variability, okay, and those would include range, that would include IQR or interquartile range, and that would include MAD or mean of absolute deviation. Okay? Now let's go down to number 2. The heights of 10 mature plants from each of 2 different species are recorded in the dot plots below. These samples are representative in each species. Alright, so if we look at both of these dot plots and we check at the first question. First question says find the mean height of each species. Well, for A, if you add everything up, it adds up to 430. And if you divide it by how many dots there are, it would be divided by 10. And that mean would be 43. Now let's find the mean of species B. If you add all these up, you get 390. And you count the number of dot plots dots, you also have 10. When you divide this, you get 39. Okay? Now let's make an inference about the species based on the mean values. Alright, so part B. Let's say plant A has a higher average height. And that's because 43 centimeters is higher than 39 centimeters. Okay, how about another inference here? Well, now this was plant, if we were referring to the species. We could also say plant B, or species B, is more consistent. And we can determine that because the range is closer together of the two.